Oh, are you just copying mommy stressed out? Do you know you're the one stressing me out? Do you?
Right. Fucking shit on you. I'm fucking shit on you. You're a fucking shit on Isla. You're a fucking shit for you. You're fucking shit for you. Santa weekend Lord. And you fucking shit on Isla.
Kate!
I'm fucking cheese hammer. You're fucking shit fucking egg bean. I'm a fucking shit. You're a fucking shit fucking egg. You're a fucking shit fucking egg bean.
Kelo! You know what?
Shit fucking out of you. Sat there and go. I'm not fucking shit where you go. I ain't fucking the same. You're a fucking shit fucking egg.
Kelo!
Don't you do?
What was that all about?
I'm a fucking shit.
A lot of effing shit?
Fucking shit. Not again. I'm a fucking shit.
Not again, I can you know.
Sat there and you go.
Set it down and you go.
Shit fucking egg. You're a fucking shit. I'm fucking shit there. Honey, I beat that island. Stop fucking island. I'm fucking shit away.
Kelo!
Yeah, fucking now.
Listen!
Yeah, there you go.
Stop!
I. See that fucking shit, Igor.
I'm not taking that effing shit.
Shit.
Kelo, that